Hello everyone, it's Elizabeth. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create these really pretty springy floral nails. I got the inspiration for these nails from a belief card from Bloom Daily Planners. I use these belief cards whenever I'm uninspired for a nail art look. I thought these were super pretty. These belief cards are blank on the back, so you can write a personalized message to a friend or a loved one. So I decided to do my manicure inspired by them. I know they kind of look like Valentine's Day nails and Valentine's Day just happened, but I thought they were really perfect for spring since it is coming up very soon. So the first thing I do before any manicure is apply my base coat. This protects my natural nails from staining, as well as make sure that my manicure lasts as long as possible. Next, I'll be painting my ring finger 2 thin coats of white nail polish. This is the nail that I will be painting my floral design on. You could have your manicure as an accent nail like I'm doing, or you could paint all your nails white and do the floral design on all of your nails. But on the rest of my nails, I am using this really pretty pink shade from Salon Perfect called Under the Tuscan Sun, which I thought was really pretty and matched the belief card perfectly. You want to make sure that after you paint your nails for the design, everything dries completely before moving on to the nail art step. And the first thing that you're going to do is take a large dotting tool or a toothpick for this and a pale pink shade. And I'm making large circles. These are not perfect circles. They are imperfect. They have lumps in them, which is good because we are doing a floral pattern. So the more imperfect the circle, the more florally it's going to look. I continued making these large imperfect circles with a darker pink shade and then a orangey red shade, again just to match the belief card. And I did this just on one side of my nail to kind of create a almost half moon or sideways half moon look, but you could do the floral all over your nails. You could add just a couple flowers, totally up to you, and the color combination that you use is also up to you, but I love these pinks and reds together. And then I am taking a thin nail art brush and a white shade of nail polish, and I am just lightly making curved lines just around the flower to give them some detail. And I know this kind of looks really detailed, but honestly I'm being really messy with this and just adding random curved lines, and I wasn't sure about how it was going to turn out, but it honestly I think looks pretty cool. So you definitely don't have to be perfect with this design, anything like that. It is rather easy and simple to do. With that same thin nail art brush, but you could totally use a toothpick, I am taking a little bit of a mustardy yellow polish and putting that in the middle of each flower. You want to make sure everything is completely dry before applying top coat so nothing smears, but that is the last step, is applying some shiny top coat or matte top coat, whatever your preference is, and sealing in your beautiful design. So that is it for this nail art look. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. My goal is to hit 10,000 subscribers by the end of this year, so I would really love if you could all help me make that dream a reality. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!